taking art, and I'm currently in the process of actually getting down into the so it's official. I'm in an art class taking art, and I'm currently in the process of actually getting down into doing art for the first time, and I must say I'm very excited. That we're expanding bubble. So we have the sound that propagates at 700 miles per hour. That's amplitude, frequency, that velocity. So you have like this expanding bubble that propagates in nature. You know, intensity determines the distance.
How photos are constructed. You know, to me that's intriguing. You know, a major chord, a minor, a diminished, and augmented. A sus4, a sus2. Why a sus chord?